How you guys doing? Well, welcome to the happiest place on earth. And I love you too. Are you gonna be okay? Are you okay?
Love you!
What? Oh, yeah. What's your name? What is it? Breeza. That's a cool name. Good to see you, Breeza. All right. Well, welcome guys to the Monomobile. I wanted to surprise you guys. But speaking of surprises, I got one more surprise. I got a few surprises today, but probably I love you too. But you're also gonna love this next person, my co-star, the amazing Emily Blunt, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Emily. So we wanted to come out, we wanted to surprise you guys. So on the Monomobile is gonna go coast to coast. We're gonna be visiting fire stations, military bases, food festivals, college campuses. It's gonna be amazing. On it, we're gonna serve the most delicious and freshest tacos. And today, we are serving the famous rock toast, famous brioche French toast. Terramana cocktails for you guys. As a matter of fact, speaking of Terramana cocktails, Emily and I want to raise the Terramana glass.
And do a shot.
And do a shot for you guys right now. Oh, here we go.
Just a little shot. Oh, look, there's the pictures.
On the wheel! On the wheel!
She just asked me what chihu means, and that is Samoan chihu! So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys so much for your love and support for us. Thank you, and this is to you guys and to Jungle Cruise. Enjoy the movie. Cheers. Oh, that is good shit.
Uncle Dre! Uncle Dre!
So, thank you guys so much for coming out. We
Guys,
appreciate
I've
it.
got some amazing news. Good news is everything's on DJ today. Every shot, every bit of French toast, every jungle mandarita, it's all on him for the whole day. Right, Tits? All on you. Say yes, and yes, say yes.
Yes. Jesus Christ. Okay, yes. So, for the rest of the day, all the French toast, all the Terramana, we have the jungle manaritas, we have the manarita Paloma from our amazing bartenders here. It is all free and it's all for you. Enjoy. Thank you guys so much. Enjoy Jungle Cruise, enjoy the Monomobile. And Emily, let's talk, because you're in trouble. Oh yes, thank you so much. But we gotta be safe about this.
Oh my God!
Thank you guys so much.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Enjoy the Monomobile, enjoy all the free food in Terramana.